So if you've followed the channel recently, I've been trying to get more and more into the world of mechanical keyboards and kind of broaden the amount of products that I review here on the channel. Recently, I got something called the 3NUS Keyboard Hub EE01 mechanical keyboard, and I unboxed it in one of my last videos, and ever since I've been using it, it's been quite an experience, but a fun one overall. I mean, this thing is packed full of features where, to be honest, I didn't quite expect on a mechanical keyboard, especially one of this size. It's got hot swappable switches, it's got custom RGB lights, and the bonus feature that I think is probably the most amazing about this keyboard is that it comes with a mechanical hub on the back of it, which you could use to plug in different devices or peripherals. I mean, I'm going to show you that later on in the video, but trust me guys, it is really exciting and fun to see. But before we get things started today, I do want to take a moment to thank the sponsor of today's video, 3NUS. They are the ones who sent me this mechanical keyboard that I used in my last big tech unboxing. I'm going to leave a link to the keyboard as well as their website right there in the description below. Kind of next to those like and subscribe buttons if you guys haven't already. Be sure to check them out. And once again, thank you for sponsoring today's video. So let's take a look around the keyboard. This is the Keyboard Hub EE01 mechanical keyboard by 3NUS, and it is a compact 87-key mechanical keyboard that offers a world of possibilities for both gamers and casual users. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it's packed with full features, as I mentioned earlier, that are sure to impress. One of the standout features of this keyboard, like I said earlier, is that it has hot swappable switches. That means you can easily customize your typing experience without any soldering or technical know-how. The keyboard comes with blue switches, but they've also included an extra set of keys in the package, along with a handy tool for removing and swapping them out. Talk about the versatility that the thing comes with and the ease of use that just makes this keyboard that much better for purchase. And speaking of that, the visual face of this device is that of the RGB lighting on the Keyboard Hub EE01. With 18 RGB light modes and a plethora of color combinations, you can create your own unique lighting setup to match your mood or gaming setup. And the best part, these vibrant panels can be easily customized on the fly thanks to the dedicated function keys. Simply press and hold down the function button along with any of these other keys to navigate through the different patterns and different styles and colors. It's really fun to use, and it's just another huge standout point which makes this such a great device. I mean, honestly, it's one of my favorite things to do, especially considering that this is one of those mechanical gaming keyboards. A lot of them do tend to have RGB lights that you can customize to your liking and kind of fit the mood of your gaming setup. I was really impressed with how easy it is to customize these colors in their vibrance and their color accuracy. It's just really amazing. So compatibility is not one of those things you have to worry about with this. Whether you're a die-hard Windows user or a Mac enthusiast, the Keyboard Hub EE01 has got you covered. It's compatible with both operating systems, so you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. Plus, it can be used with other devices that accept USB-C connections, such as a PC, gaming device, maybe a console. That way you can use it with anything that you like. All right, now let's talk about one of the standout features of this keyboard, and that is that built-in hub on the back. It's a game changer for those looking to streamline your setup, and here's what it offers. We've got 3 USB-A 3.0 ports. These ports provide lightning-fast data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabytes per second, perfect for connecting your peripherals without any lag. We also got one HDMI port. This port supports up to 4K resolution at 60 Hz, making it an ideal connection for your laptop or PC to a high-resolution monitor or TV, and one USB-C 3.0 port, another high-speed port with data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. And the best part of this port is that you can also plug it in to charge up your devices, which will help you when you're trying to save a lot of space on your deck setup without having clutter or extra cables and wires lying around. I know personally that's something that I really enjoy about using this keyboard. I also want to note that this keyboard is a wired keyboard, which makes it great for gaming, as I've already mentioned. All you need to do is plug this keyboard into any USB-C connection with a laptop, PC, or a gaming device, and you guys are good to go. All right, so now let's talk about the fun part of using this, and that is customizing those RGB lights like I mentioned before. It's as easy as holding down the function key and pressing down any of these dedicated keys, such as the insert, delete, home, end, page up or down, or the arrow keys. Your inner keyboard nerd will definitely come alive when you see the vibrant patterns dancing across this keyboard. And the great thing is, these patterns are visible in both well-lit and low-light environments, making a fantastic visual spectacle. My personal favorite is this one right here with this logo orange lights. I really favor that one because it just looks amazing and it complements my deck setup. So to kind of summarize how I feel about using this keyboard after a couple of days, honest with you, I feel like this is an absolute beast when it comes to features, customization, and overall performance. Whether you're a gamer looking for that extra edge or a productivity enthusiast who wants a versatile keyboard for their setup, I feel like this keyboard has it all. I've been using this keyboard for a few weeks, and it's safe to say that it's not only very quick and responsive, but again, with the color customizations and all the things that you get out of the hub that's on the back, it's incredibly fun to use. The hot swappable switches and the ability to create your own RGB light patterns give it a unique edge over many other mechanical keyboards in the market. And again, the data hub that's on the back, it's like having a docking station built into this keyboard, which makes choosing this pretty much a no-brainer. So if you're in the market for a keyboard that's as stylish as it is functional, the Kibo Hub EE01 by 3NUS is definitely one that you should consider putting on your radar. I'll leave a link in the description below to where you guys can check this out in case you're interested. Feel free to give it a try. You have my personal recommendation because this is something that I stand by. And yeah, I really hope that you enjoy it. Leave a comment below on what you guys think about this keyboard, and if you had it, what kind of color customizations or what kind of use would you get out of the data hub. Until next time, appreciate you watching. Stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.